everybody, welcome to the Hot Years. I'm Rochelle. I'm a licensed cosmetologist in Maryland. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and today's video is going to be on, hey, the new beauty test tube. This is a I think bi-monthly subscription for like $29.95. So look at that pretty box. Isn't that pretty? So let's open this up and get started. See what's in here. Can't wait to see it. And just FYI, I'm having a crappy hair day today, and I just had to stop. I didn't have any more time to spend on it and get started. And also, if you see any jewelry here that you like that I'm wearing, you can find it on my banging away. You can find it on my website at www.thebeautydjewelstore.com, and that's where I make all my jewelry, and I started a business doing that. So I'm just going to show you what I'm wearing, because with my camera, this is the only way I can focus as far as getting, this is the furthest I can get away from the camera. Anything else will be closer. So anyway, these are my Swarovski crystal bracelets that I made. Okay, you'll find those on there, and this is another one. This is like an ombre mix of yellow and orange. So pretty. And this also. Okay, so let's get started with seeing what's in the box. I was really happy with this box. This month, this is their March test tube, and let's get started with, hey, look at that. I think you pronounce this like Casabella, not really sure, but this is, and I haven't had one of these. Well, I got many of these, but I don't have one like this. Ta-da! Isn't that gorgeous? This is like a teal green color. Get close so you can see. Look how gorgeous that is. It's like lace, and it's face mask. Okay, how beautiful is that? I just love this, and especially the color. Perfect color for me. And they also give you on here a 20% off if you want to go to the website and purchase anything. So that's really nice. And the value of this is $18, just so you know. Okay, and let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, and the next product here, let's see, it's called Save Anti-Pollution Sleeping Mask. Hope you can see that. And I'm not going to try to read the ingredients here. We have a serum, and this is East 29th Street. So I haven't heard of this product either before. Let's see what this looks like. It is a full-size bottle. Okay, and I believe this retails for, let's see, $88 for this. Okay, so let's see if I can read a little bit. Looks like it has a lot of really great ingredients. I wish I could see them better to tell you what it is. But it definitely has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, lemon rind extract, and vitamin C and E in it. So after cleansing, lightly massage a few drops on any area of the clean skin before moisturizing. Use it morning and night. Okay, so it's formulated to help with the texture of your skin and the firmness. So I will be checking this out for sure, because of course that's all of us that are 58 years old and postmenopausal are looking for. And let's see what we have here. This is You Beauty. Okay, this is a resurfacing compound. Okay, so it says to apply 1 to 2 pumps in the morning and night on clean skin. Has a big ingredient deck, and it comes like this. This one I actually already tried. So it's called Ready, Set, Renew. Now I'm not sure how to pronounce this name, and I don't want to mess it up. Ta-da! It's a pretty rose color bottle. So this is really pretty. It smells, has a light aroma of, I think, roses when I used it. And I used it on clean skin, and you just, spray it all over, and it's just very refreshing. It smells nice. It's a great hot summer pick-me-up. Okay, and again, I can't read any of those ingredients. Let's see if I can find out a little something here for you. I see it has seawater, aloe, leaf extract, and some other stuff. I can't read it. Marvis toothpaste. You gotta have that, right? So I think this is a value of, I don't think I have it down here. Let's go over to my computer. I have it here. This is a value of $3. So this is probably like a trial size you get here. I've never tried this, but I will try it. Okay, and then you get a little sample in here of La Roche-Posay, their vitamin C serum. It's a little sample of that in there. Okay, and this is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this either. It's at a Lip Rally, and let's see what the price of this one is. So this is a value of $14. And 2-in-1 convenient stick to exfoliate and hydrate your lips for everyday softness. So there you go, and that's the whole March test tube. Let's see, this is what this looks like. Okay, so that is everything. Not a very long video. That was pretty quick. So that is it. These are really fun to get. If you want to subscribe, I'll give you a link. This is not an affiliated video. I paid with this with my own money, so it's not a sponsored video. I'm still new at doing this. And join me for my next video, which will be next week. And I think that's it. Please leave your comments below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. And I'm just going to give you a close-up look at my makeup today. It's springtime up here. It is March 27th. Everybody's out and about. Just dying to get out in this, great weather we're having up here, especially in March in Maryland. So we're having really some great weather. And I'm going to give you a close-up look of my makeup. Let's see here. And because I want you to see I'm focusing my eyelashes. Let's see if I can get you on here. Hey, there we go. Now I'm not sure if you can see. Look up. And I'll show you my mascara routine in another video. I want to say next week, but I'm not sure if I can get it out in that time. But you see that? Not bad for a 58-year-old postmenopausal woman. So stay tuned. Come back and see me again. And stay safe in the meantime. And I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.